guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a hair pomade. So what you will need is 3 tablespoons of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of rice flour or tapioca starch. I'm going to be using rice flour today, 2 tablespoons of hemp seed oil, 2 tablespoons of beeswax. I'm using pellets, but you can grate a bar if you have that on hand. Some kind of jar or container. This is a regular 4-ounce aluminum jar that I got off Amazon, and I printed our logo on it. Go ahead and check out our Instagram. I linked it down below in the description box. And whatever essential oil you want to use, I'm using Cypress, as you can see here. As you may be able to see here, is it not? It's not going to focus. Okay, just put that down. About 30 drops of whatever essential oil you're going to use. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is make a double boiler, so get your pot of water going and then put your shea butter and your beeswax into the glass bowl or pitcher that you're going to be using. Go ahead and just struggle with that for a little bit and finally put it in the pot of water. Just let that melt, stirring occasionally until it's all well combined before adding the rice flour and the hemp seed oil. If you don't have hemp oil, you can use jojoba. You can also use argan. Those are great for hair. I personally like hemp because it's really rich in proteins, omega-3, 6, and 9s. And I also really like the color. It turns this a nice green tone, which is my preference. But again, if you don't have that, the others will work. Once that's melted, I always put the incense there and it just never, the ashes never fall in the leaf. Anyway, once your oil is melted, now what you're going to do is take your rice flour and your hemp seed oil, and you're going to pour the rice flour into the hemp seed oil until it's nice and thoroughly mixed. Then go ahead and put that into your shea and beeswax mixture. Make sure it's well combined. And then you're going to take your essential oil, whichever one that you're using, and put in about 30 drops. Again, I'm using Cypress, but anything else will work just fine. Give that a good mix, and then go ahead and get your jar ready. Go ahead and just pour that mixture in, and that's it. Let this harden for maybe like 30 minutes, and then you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and I will see you guys next time.